Hi friends, let's do our ABC puzzle. Where's the A? There it is. Where's the B? Is this a B? No, that's a D. There's the B. Where's the C? Here it is. Where's the D? We already found that one. Where's the E? Is this it? No, that only has 2 lines. There's the E over here. That's the F. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here's the G. H. Where's the H? I don't see it. Do you see the H? Oh, here it is. Thank you for your help. There's the I. Where's the J? Is this a J? No, that goes this way. Here's the J. It goes that way. J, K. That was the L. M. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O goes round and round. There's the O. P. What letter's this? Q? Where's the Q? There it is. Q. R. S goes back and forth. Does it go back and forth like this one? No. There's the S. Where's the T? Here it is. My hand was covering it. Where's the U? There it is. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. We did it all. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We did the whole alphabet. Yay! Good job, friends. Thanks for playing with me. See you next time. Bye.